The enhanced Cloud Connect Tool Manager system seamlessly integrates Kennametal's E-Catalog. Users can get real-time machining parameters and instant tool assembly visualization directly in NXCAM to streamline setups with optimal cutting data and ensure precision to manufacturer specifications. Access Cloud Connect Tool Manager from the Home ribbon, either by selecting the Post Configurator dropdown, Cloud Connect Tool Manager, or by selecting Create Tool. Retrieve tools from Cloud Connect Tool Manager. Click on Access Tool Vendor and click on Kennametal. On the Kennametal site, users can find a whole catalog of tools. These tools can be directly sent to NXCAM. When sending a tool from Kennametal to NXCAM, users can choose whether they want to include feeds and speeds data. If the user chooses yes, they are presented with the option to change various parameters like depth of cut, cutting speed, etc. Recommended values are given. If the user changes the material, the application will provide different appropriate values for all parameters. After clicking OK, the tool product data, together with the cutting data, will be made available for import into NXCAM. All data can be double-checked using this button. If all data is correct, it can either only be imported to the library or be sent to the active part in NXCAM as well. As you can see, the tool is immediately available. Toolpath generation will be based on the imported cutting data. Overall, this integration helps improve efficiency, speeds up your setup processes, and ensures your projects meet manufacturer requirements.